When life throws curveballs, do you have a cushion to fall back on? Saving money for those unexpected rainy days is more than just a safety net, it's a smart strategy for financial resilience. Start by setting aside a small percentage of every paycheck. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Consider creating multiple accounts for specific goals, like emergencies or travel. The key is consistency. With each deposit, you'll feel more secure, empowered to face whatever comes your way without fear. Start today. Your future self will thank you.